Hi, this is Paul, and in this video, we'll be going over how to update the firmware on an IXG DM7 HID to allow the new two-way video feature. Before we proceed with this video, there are a few things to check that will make this process quick and easy. The first thing is to confirm that the IXG system is fully programmed and functional. The second is checking the IXG support tool version. It needs to be 2.3.01 or later. Additionally, you'll need the system configuration file for the system that you are programming. Next, iPhone recommends that the programming PC is connected to the same switch as the IXG DM7 HID entrance station. The last thing is to make sure that the IXG DM7 HID two-way video firmware version 2.91 has been downloaded and extracted onto your PC. Pause this video now, and once all the steps are complete, we'll continue with the firmware update process. Launch the IXG support tool and enter admin for the ID and admin for the password, then click Login. If the support tool system selection window appears, use the drop-down menu to select the system to edit and click OK. If it does not appear, click File at the top and choose Select Existing System to select the system. Once the support tool has loaded, use the top menu bar, click View, and select Advanced to enable advanced settings for this system. Using the left-hand side menu, expand the maintenance tree and select Firmware Update. This will bring up the Update Firmware page and allow you to browse to the location that our firmware.bin file is saved and update to the IXG DM7 HID. Using the Browse button under the IXG DM7 HID main, navigate to the location of the two-way video firmware.bin file. Select the IXG DM7 HID from the station list and click the Update button to begin the firmware update process. The firmware update process can take up to 10 minutes. Disconnecting the IXG DM7 HID during this time may cause the station to malfunction. The IXG DM7 HID will reboot once the firmware update is complete. Once it has rebooted, the two-way video feature will engage automatically. Anytime the entrance panel is communicating with an IXMV7 or IXG two-way video will occur. For more information on the IXG series, visit our website at www.iphone.com. Thanks for watching.